So here we just gotta, ooh. So she gave a little bit of preparation to target. Angel is right there at the window. Look, this is Bobia level 2. So I'm surprising her. So in reality, I wanna keep her submissive, not scared. This is body language. Every time she gets ears forward, she's gonna be corrected because we know what her intention is, to target the dog. And if she targets the dog, she kills the dog. That's how bad it is. See, that's bad. This is bad right here. This is good. That's a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. If I keep her in that state, in the excited state, and then I bring it in, I'm setting her to fail. See it? So a calm dog is a happy dog. So as long as she stays behind, I can provide leadership or guidance just with energy and body language.